TextCortex AI Tool Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the TextCortex AI tool. Links to the product and related resources can be found in the description below, so feel free to check them out as we dive into the details. TextCortex is a robust AI-powered writing assistant designed to help content creators, marketers, students, and professionals generate high-quality written content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're drafting articles, creating social media posts, writing essays, or polishing emails, TextCortex simplifies the process with impressive precision and speed. One standout feature is its multilingual support, allowing users to write in multiple languages seamlessly, perfect for international audiences. It also includes tone adjustment, so you can tailor your writing to be formal, conversational, or even creative. The paraphrasing tool is another highlight, enabling you to rephrase sentences while retaining their meaning, which is ideal for overcoming writer's block or refining content. Another strength of TextCortex is its AI assistant for idea generation. Struggling to brainstorm? This tool can provide topic suggestions, outlines, and even expand on existing ideas. Additionally, it supports bulk content creation, which is a game changer for marketers managing high-demand content workflows. The interface is intuitive with a straightforward design that ensures ease of use for both beginners and experienced writers. It's compatible with popular platforms like Google Docs, WordPress, and various email tools, which eliminates the hassle of switching between apps. This tool is built for anyone needing efficient content creation without sacrificing quality. Freelancers, business owners, students, and educators alike. For those managing tight deadlines, TextCortex's ability to streamline your workflow while maintaining high standards makes it a must-try. While no tool is perfect, TextCortex stands out for its balance of user-friendliness, flexibility, and content generation capabilities. If you're serious about boosting your productivity and refining your writing, TextCortex is worth considering. That wraps up this review. Don't forget to explore the links in the description to learn more or try it out for yourself. If you've used TextCortex, let me know your thoughts in the comments.